What is going on YouTube? It's Jay Dawson. We're back in the garage for yet another video, and today we're going to be talking about maintenance. Now, maintenance is, if not the most important thing for any of your vehicles. So we're going to be flushing and filling our radiator with engine ice. I mean, shout out to engine ice and stuff like that. I use this in all of my bikes, and I wouldn't recommend anything else. And I would definitely be sure to leave a link in the description where you can purchase all of these products and stuff like that below. We have our motor oil filter, and spark plug and stuff like that. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it.